Help! I need somebody. Help! Not just anybody. Help! You know I need someone. Help! When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find I've changed my mind and open up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down, and I do appreciate you being round. Help me get my feet back on the ground. Won't you please, please help me?
Tom, what are you doing? You're not working very hard putting up that trampoline.
I'm just taking a break, having a drink, and getting some energy.
Oh. What are you doing, Joe?
Hey, Joe, come on across, come and have a drink.